Hello. This is the story of how Leanworks machine monitoring system enabled a firm to make the same number of parts in 2 shifts that they were making in 3 shifts earlier. This happened in 7 months. The firm is an aerospace parts manufacturer with 40 machines connected to Leanworks. Machines are CNC lathes and machining centers. Before Leanworks, machines ran 24 hours with 3 shifts of 8 hours each. After Leanworks machine monitoring system was installed, machines run 16 hours with 2 shifts of 8 hours each, producing the same number of parts as before. Result? Lower power bills, fewer operators, fewer supervisors, inspection personnel, logistics personnel, canteen personnel, lower wage bills, no canteen expenditure in the night shift. How did the transformation happen? In aerospace and tooling parts, part batches are very small or one-off. Standard cycle times and load unload times are unknown or have no meaning. For such firms, we suggest tracking the spindle utilization percentage instead of OEE as a measure of productivity. Leanworks tracks spindle utilization, the percentage of time that the spindle is working in the total time available. It shows this as dashboards, reports, and large screen and-on boards on the shop floor. It also shows downtime, durations, and reasons. When machine monitoring was started with Leanworks, it showed that the spindle was running only 30% of the time, which meant that machines were cutting only 1/3 of the time and idle 2/3 of the time. The MD of the firm announced that if the spindle utilization went up to 50%, all personnel would get a salary hike. In just 4 months, the spindle utilization went up to 55% from 30 odd percent. It then went further to 64% in 7 months, 70% in 8 months. Machines were cutting 2/3 of the time and idle 1/3 of the time, whereas it was the reverse before. The reasons for the downtime were partly systemic and partly because of poor work ethics. High setup times, no raw material, high periodic inspection times, late start at the beginning of shifts, early stoppage at the end of shifts, long meal breaks, and so on. The incentive of higher pay motivated the shop teams to work together and reduce all these. Leanworks machine monitoring system highlighted the downtimes and the reasons through a variety of reports, including Pareto charts. This enabled the firms to focus on top downtime reasons continuously and reduce them. Here are some of the Leanworks reports that the firm used to achieve the transformation. Firm and machine names have been changed to protect the identity of the firm.